First row, may absent. Julio. Second row, may absent. Kanyako. Okay, how are you today? How's your 3 days? Okay, so how's your activities? Did you comply all the activities? No?
Yes, ma'am.
No or yes? Okay, so before that, okay, let us count 1, 2, 3. 1. Wait, Sam, you don't start. Okay, remember your number. Remember your number, okay? 1, 2, 3. Just five, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Ma'am, dapat 3. Di mo pwede mo, ikaw. 1, 4, 1, 2, 9. Oy, pag-kumya-kumya lang. Ano siya? Magandang nawa ba? Go. 8. Ikaw. 1. 2. 3. 1. Uy. 1. Elias. 2. Okay, sige, tingnan yung number ha. Okay, tala number 1 kay Kristen. Ikabalo mo saging that is called preparation.
Basic na, basic.
Okay, ikabalo this. Okay, so let's start. Okay, number 1. Ang series ninyo ha, please try to answer this one. Balay mo, coach. What is this word? Number 1 na Leonora. Okay, si Saisa nakakuan. Leonora. Number 2. On number 2. Okay, try to guess this word. Kapa. Okay, number 3. Urasan. Okay, so your learning competency is to utilize video editing tools with multimedia materials. What do you think is our objective? Last naman judicial session. You will edit. By what? Kung saan i-edit? I will do it to, so I am expecting you to what? To edit a video about yourself. Diba? What is the title of the video? Did you collect videos?
Yes.
Video on the timeline or your layout? One storyboard, storyline in the video last week. Did you take your videos, raw videos? Okay. So this is your learning competency. Again, can you read? So what video editing tools we use? CapCut and or Canva. So I give you the freedom to choose what kind of video editing tools you're going to use with your video. And by the end of this lesson, at least 80% of you will be able to what?
Using different video editing tools and blogging, Filmora or CapCut. Show awareness and responsibility in digital production.
Okay, so it is not merely editing, but you should be responsible on what video are you going to show to your audience. Okay, be responsible. So before that, let us unlock some vocabularies. Number one is storyline. So what is storyline? Can we read this area?
The sequence of events and actions that make up the main narrative in a story, detailing how the plot unfolds from beginning to end.
So Mura said writer, di ba? You have your storyline. The one that I made you, last week is your storyline, right? Diba? The sequence of events from waking up to going back to your house. So that is your main narrative of the story. You are narrating the story of you as a student in MONHS. Diba? The story ng ka. Mo man ipakita sa imong audience. Mo na imong vlog. Diba? A day in my life as a student sa MO. Diba? Okay. How about editing timeline? This side.
Visual representation images of
Organizes
and sequences media clips such as video, audio, images, and effects for final production.
Okay. In your user interface, you see the arrangement of your clips, right? Ito, butangan mo siya. Maunang mo ang timeline. And you can sequence your clips to make a cohesive final production. Dito ka mag-arrange. Kaya kung hindi mo ma-arrange dito, bubog siya tayo. Nakalandra ka sa inyong video. Now, we have video transitions. Video transitions, can you read this book?
Visual effects that connect to separate video clips, creating a small or stylistic change from one scene to another.
Ano pagbasa?
Stylistic.
Stylistic. Okay. Consider the use of video transitions. Did you use? Diba? Makalinaw tayo. How one of your videos transition into another video with style, right?
Yes.
O, di na to, pala na, ano na po, ditsura, di ba? Waray kuhan, waray lami. So, if you will add transition, there is an effect that will enhance, that will engage your audience. Nice, kaya siya tanawin. Okay? Then, we have also video effects. This group, what already read?
Our visual modifications are enhancement applied to video footage during editing or production to alter, enhance, or create visual elements that are not present in the original recording.
Present.
Present.
In the original recording. So, you make use of your video effects. Did you use filter? Effects?
Yes, okay.
Nag-gamit ko yan. Beautify. Di ba? Nakakit ko. So, ha? Ay, ito mo pa boy. Ngayon, para magpuan. No, smooth ang yung skin. Or the color. Okay, so those are video effects that you will create to present in the kuan. Wala siya sa original recording, but pwede mo siya ma-enhance. Okay? If you apply. Together, voice over. Napakay voice over ni. Okay, what ready? Read.
In both audio, spoken audio generation to videos, presentations, or any media and today, AI-powered platforms allow you to create realistic, beautiful voiceovers with AI-powered without the need for professional voice actors.
Okay, so no need voice actors because you can record your own voice or Madritsura, voice over. Okay, sa inyo video editing app. Now, for your key concept, so video editing class, it involves arranging the videos, arranging your multimedia, your graphics, and all, adding effects to enhance your storytelling. Storytelling. Ma-enhance ang inyong storytelling through adding effects. And an effective vlog video editing focuses on number 1. You need to be consistent with your storytelling. The pacing, parang pagbalik-balik sa inyong kuhan should be smooth. Ang audio is clear, engaging ang visuals, dili blurred, kundi maayo pagka-zoom in, zoom out, and consistent ang style. Nakaisa ka na common style. Nakaimuha na dyan, diba? Authentic. Mga vlogger, diba? Authentic. They are known as being authentic with their own style. Ano si Telma? Nagano kayo bangkat sa Telma? Baka, nakakasila ba? Alimas ka Telma, diba?
Dalang tayo naman.
Ano si Juan? Si... vlogger, ano? Lahi-lahi sa style, diba? Oh, si Baitin lahipon. Si Sirisi mo lahipon. Oh, so that's their own unique style. They're consistent with it. So if you want to be a content creator, you need to create, you need to master storytelling to have the smooth pacing of your videos. You have the clear audio, engaging visual, bahala pili ka gwapa, pero yung visual, nice kayong pagka-shot by angle, diba? So, pwede na. And consistent ka sa imong style. Okay, now I have here an example on how to edit Filmora. I know, dili mo fan sa Filmora mo na mauna i-focus. Kaya ang CapCut is much more easier than the Filmora. Okay, but I want you also to consider Filmora. Kamay lang. This is a video, a tutorial on about
Okay,
Filmora.
we will use a video editor called Filmora. So in editing videos, you can use a lot of video editing
Ako sa'yo,
tools
ay, nana.
such as Filmora, Master, and the other video editing.
I use
Now,
the
walk
voice
through
over
the
direct
project.
screen record.
So here is your interface. What you can see here is your interface, and then click the new project. So, well, you need to upload or import your pictures or videos that you want to edit. So you can choose from your photos or videos you have already downloaded. So for me, let me choose. So the theme of my work is on navigation. Okay, so we will import that.
Yeah, it's my tutorial vlog, my first time tutorial vlog. So, kasi yung
So, class, I'm using my tablet. So the user interface of the tablet is different from the laptop. So here, we have the trim. So, in the trim, you have different functions. So different tools and functions of the tools like animation, volume, crop, and reverse speed. So for me, the videos are already here. What we need to do is to apply a trim or a cut from these music, no, from these videos, and we can add music here. So Filmora has a lot to choose from. Also in your CapCut, you can also choose something. Let's try one.
Ayaw mo pagkasin na ng diamond. Ayaw mo ng diamond. Katong wala yung may diamond. Katong free trial na kabuta.
So this is the music. So this is, okay, I already added the music. We only need a cover. So let's choose a cover from the album. How about this Ocean Park? Right, it's nice. Okay, we'll confirm that this will be the cover.
Pero kung ay pareho sa CapCut. Mag-arrange, di ba? Mag-trim. Then
So we have a
slice,
cover.
di ba? Or split, tama?
And then,
Medyo nga, split. And overlay
We have
your
the
sounds,
music.
overlay your voice over.
so
Pwede mo kasi yung mga
So if
overlay
you
your
wanna
voice
add
over.
text,
Report, dahil nga, phone type.
this one, not text. So you have different styles, you have different fonts also, and the template. Your text, it could be social media, pro, graphic, title, basic. So let's start with a font. Let's just choose something like suitable for travel. Okay, this one here. Okay, this. Then try to edit your text.
You have your CapCut, yung hang i-download na.
Let's choose the style. So different styles. Because it's blue, then people choose the one that highlights.
Okay lang, offline na no.
Easier to read. And get font style. So like this. So I'm choosing small font size. We need to pay. And text. And
on screen.
The volume of
Sometimes siya yung mag-gets.
video, yes.
Okay, ganyan siya. If you want to reduce or you want to remove the background music of your video, you can click the video, then remove the voice or remove ipa-zero ang voice, no? Dahil many part na gusto kang background music ang mas mukuan, so you need to increase the volume. Mawala. Dili ka nagkuhan yung kuhanin. Na-frustrate ko kay Google, kinaka-gets. Okay? So I want you to see, this is my final video.
Okay, we will.
This one is my final video. Dahil what happened is, I click or I choose a template that is, you need to pay. That's why, pag ako sa export, hindi na siya makita kay need ba tayo bayaran, wala kang nagbayad. Okay? So, lalaki lang tawag. So this is the final column of what I have edited. We're not sure watermark. Hindi tayo kung look.
Hi, it's Elle, and welcome to my travel vlog. Last summer, we went to Manila together with the whole family, except for my husband who's currently in India. With us because they're so happy and nice to be in the capital city of the world. We stayed at Canada Manila, a 5-star hotel, where the kids and I enjoyed local luxury food. Shows during the night, we also got to experience shopping.
Wala na nakuha na kung like. Wala na, kailangan na tayo bayad. So wala, gikuha na mura. So, ako ng tips is, you need to check your audio, your voice over against your background music. So like this one, wala ko nakabantay na mas gusto ay ang volume sa background music kaysa akong voice over. So you need to decrease the level. Also, ginulit na, i-click to nimo tong sa timeline, i-click nimo ang video, i-decrease nimo kung paano mo noise ang iyong video, then the background music, then how na ipatong increase. Or your voice over, ipataas nimo, and ang background music ipaus. Okay? So now, I want you to puno na lang or pair?
Ma'am,
Try mo on edit lang sa Filmora or CapCut. Edit lang duha ka video. Dayon, isumpay.
Ayan.
Buka yun ang inani. Title text, image overlay, isa ka transition, then background music,
Ma'am, delete ako yung
or freeze stage.
Delete ako sa
Okay lang. Sige, basta lang yung effects na lang. Okay? Sige, partner na lang. Partner, kung wala yung cellphone, sana yung cellphone. I will give you 5 minutes. Dali naman na siya. Okay, duha naman, isa na kanan. Bali, duha ka video. Iba naman may raw video. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes and then I will check if nakabalo ba mo o kumakanin. Kaya na. Dito na malagwan, edit na ganina. Sige, try. Okay, nakakatay ko. Magdiwas mabiyak na sa atong last na sa editing sa inyong vlog. After this. Okay, sige, find your partner with cellphone. I will try to edit. No, partner ihapon. No need mag-load. Basta mag-load ka. Online na siya. Sige na, kasi ikaw galing mo. Partner. Partner, nana? Sige. O kanina, nag-edit na sila. Duha lang ha. Duha ka image or video. Isa na ang transition ba niya? Sa kamong tulog? Ay, asa sa video. Sino nang gihapon? Basta yung mga doon ay title, text, isa ka image overlay, isa ka transition, or text na lang kung hindi mga transition, isa ka background music, or voice selection. Practice! Wala nga good na. Batagin ang title. Title, diba? Yung title, lalaki na to. Gayon, we want image overlay. Nani nakabuhat, gani. Nani nakabuhat.
Drama mo.
Okay, nanay title. Wala pa rin yung title. Batagin yung text at text. Hindi sa background music. Wala kayo pakanaan na download. Hoy. Question, yes. Etong atong person nila. Ito person nila. Voice over ba? Okay, kinsa na yung na? Naalala niyo sa buhat? Klaro ni siya. Okay. Mana? Ay, ina, kay ko ang Dr. Music Okay, how did you use your editing tool to enhance your video? Enhance, yung sa pagpapakuhan. Use your editing tools para ma-enhance yung video. Like, kung saan gigamit, enhance your video. Okay, yes? Yes, you make use of transitions. What else? Ay, magamit. Video name. At saka sa ano? No. Down ang volume. Then you check. Yan. Tanan na dira, silent na. So, kala yung music, ayun na ito i-extend na. Anak na ay, wala ko siya sound ha. Ang video, mag-open sa inyong harap. Or record. Okay, what else? How did you use your tools? Video na yung picture basta mag-transition. Okay na. Basta din siya kayo as of 5 minutes. Okay, what else did you face while editing? What is that? Gamay ang storage, pag-trim, pinag-signal sa pa. Pinag-export. Ako, hindi na ako mag-time-lapse. Kasi na, hindi na ako mapapasa sa speaker. Signal. Yes. Okay, manang practice. Okay, now, I want you to continue editing. Ang inyong project-based learning nga, create a mini vlog. This is your rubric. Ako, i-change ang rubric. 10 points will be for technical proficiency, 10 for creativity, and 10 for storytelling, a total of 30 points for your performance. I already explained it to you last week. Ikuhaan ang nakapagprogram ay tulong, siguro ito diba? So, kanya na lang yung nabili. Now, if you have questions, isa rin na hungan, or humano natin karoon. Okay, tanan-tanan na rin ha. Ang hiling na hungan until now. Okay, isa bukasan na ako. How do you make that? Kalingaw sa lang mag-edit, please. Okay, sige. Please, i-send sa GC sa PLE. Kaya kung personal yung dugay na ako animation ay mo, pero
Kaya iban ba, i-edit ako ang dula. I-explain ako.
Ay, bakit ito napasa ang power? Ikaw? Yan ito tuloy ko sa power niyo.
Padali ko.
Okay. Ano? Ay, edit na lang. Pag-edit ka mo, no? Or make sure ha na ato, title. O sa yung title, usa na title ha? Usa na title? A day in my life as a student in narration ha? Kung mag-Bisaya na ay subtitle to English. Asa man ani?
Ayaw, totoo mo ba na?
Image overlay. Ito yung may kuhaan video na kay image na isampaw. Wala? Or transition na lang to image. First, ganun sa kola. Video, image, video, image. Okay, sige. Iwas o edit. Di ba individual? Except sa kaitong walay cellphone. Oy, partner. Isa ko ito ba yung cellphone may partner? Kung may partner. One, isa ka pair. Isa partner. Two, isa partner. So, isa ka na wala ka sa buwan.
Dosa. Nanduha.
Less than 5 minutes lang pwede. Bahala 1 minute na palihan. Basta nakatanan. Isa'y naging sa GC sa PLA. I-add si Marco Balagosha. Please add Pinagi mo na, tapos matuhuli mo. Ay, individual ka? Sinakapuan na, edit ka. Ayaw, nasulat na. Ibiling mo, ano ko sana? Practice na to ganina. Oy, excuse me, na to ganina. Practice na to ha. Hindi to isend. Ang isend ninyo, is na to na final and in my life. Mana? Pakuha ka mo? Wala ka kamo. Hindi kami. Sige, go. Go. Ulit ko balik na. Video ko kami sa sinaway nila.
Kambat. Wala, mga princess clinic.
Oh, clinic. Baka yung kapal na. Nagsirukoy ako na isa. Ay, nakapal naman sila yung Facebook. Wala na. Ay, lotok na. Okay, how can video editing and storytelling in class? How can video editing enhance the storytelling in class? How can it enhance? Ibang naman mag-enhance ito video editing skills ang imong storytelling sa vlog mo. Have you noticed, parang mga vlogger, naano sila yung stories? Wala siya sa vlog, sa vlog lamang? Naano sila yung flow ba? Na story. Then, kung sa man pagkatsada sa video editing tools ang ilang story. Yung sa pagkatsada. I-edit o yun sa pag-edit. Using what? Hindi mag-using. Ay stickers, ay voice over, music, background, text, right? Then, in your experience, reflect on your experience in creating a vlog. What would you do differently next time? If you're given next time, what do you do differently, ha? Kasi local pa dyan, dahil kung saan. Kung saan namin yung kinuron. Ano sa pa gusto nyo ba? Okay, very good. What will you do differently? Given a chance to edit again another video. Na i-upload na dyan dito sa social media. Social media. Saan ang pagpagwakit? Is this skills useful outside of school?
Yes!
Why? Why useful? If you have the talent, that's your extra income, right? Kung naka-talent sa pag-edit sa video, pwede. Videographer, yes or no?
Yes!
Inuwa ka dyan din nga po atre, hindi ka lang styles. Taon na. Okay.
Nagamat.
Gaman na mo, gana. Okay, kindly send in to the group chat. Question. Until I will accept it until Onia. Okay, what? Tomorrow, hindi na kung-accept. Pag-minus na ko. Pwede ba mag-minus? Suma na okay, picture. Ay, pasa na lang. Bakit mas mahal para sa identify line? Di ba nagsabot natin sa ito maka-upload another extra point? Sa social media, di ba? The more the merrier. Wala? Tamo. Pasok niya na. Isa yung mana. Napasa. Uy, ano ka? Isa na sa kuha. Anak. Oh, hindi na kuha. Any question? Wala naman mga kautana. Additional one. For your assignment. Okay. Assignment. Upload your video to any social media. Upload your video to any social media. I-screenshot ninyo nga naa siya naka-account. Ana-upload niya rin. I-send sa Dili talaga like views. Kung sa TikTok, i-screenshot mo. Ano siya nila ang TikTok mo? Naan sa IG, wala ba TikTok? I-mention mo para mga tinatay. Dili kami ali my life ninyo nga video. Uy, dili ka sa mga video. Pwede yung reels? Kung gamay lang yung video, pwede reels. Pero mga 4 minutes, 1 minutes ako, dito na mga reels. Alay ba itong reels? Ayaw na. Okay, thank you for watching. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoy your lesson. And you can pass that until midnight. Okay, bumalik mo. Mag-minus na kung ano
Ma, pwede rin ko ang tuwan ba dahil sa pagpunto.
wala na. Late na.